It is a time-consuming process to create teaching materials and documents. Little doubt that teachers look for different solutions, allowing to facilitate teachers' work at any stage. This is why it is worth using education-friendly solutions wherever possible. Thanks to such a solution, we will help ourselves organize and facilitate our work, and also motivate our students to co-create materials.
Why is it worth sharing? Students, teachers, and parents may get access to teaching materials anytime.
When we have a student who is particularly interested in the lesson, they will be eager to use any extra materials, for which we have no time or space during the lesson.
We learn to share materials, and we have everything in one place.
If we are in a hurry and have no time to get acquainted with the document, we can scan it without using any large equipment. Your smartphone will be enough.
If we keep losing sheets of papers or forgetting where we noted the information down.
Taking care of the unity and being responsible for building a class community.
When to share?
Expanding knowledge gained during a lesson.
Expanding material from lessons and edit activities.
When a student is absent.
Cooperating during students' projects.
Sending and collecting students' assignments.
Exchanging different types of documents, photos and films.